Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip archives on the Nokia C21 Plus. And to do this you will need to open your RAR app. I've shown you previously on how to download it. Now find the files that you want to unpack, click on them, click on the arrow pointing up button right here. You'll enter extraction options and you can change the designation path by clicking on the browse. So let's unpack them in our movies folder. Click on OK to save that. Change any extraction options if you want and click on OK. And that way we'll be unpacking our files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.